Bingo Cash says withdrawal. Requests can take up to 14 days to process, while Blackout Bingo says PayPal withdrawals are typically processed within 48 hours, making Blackout Bingo the faster option on published processing times. By the end, you'll know how both apps handle cash tournaments, withdrawals, and free play options, so you can decide which one fits your goal. The short answer is Blackout Bingo, if withdrawal speed is your priority. Bingo Cash uses competitive bingo tournaments where players can compete for cash prizes. You can also play free competitions using gems, including free tournament options, without making a deposit. Cash tournaments can use entry fees, and bonus cash can be used for eligible entries but cannot simply be withdrawn as cash. Bingo Cash also separates withdrawable winnings from promotional balances. That matters because seeing a balance inside the app does not automatically mean the entire amount can be sent to your bank or PayPal account. For withdrawals, Bingo Cash states that requests can take usually up to 14 days to process. Its support information also says players usually receive funds sooner, with many withdrawals arriving within 82 business days after processing. Now compare that with Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo uses a competitive bingo format where your score is determined by how you play during the tournament. Like Bingo Cash, it offers free play options alongside cash competitions, so you can test the game before risking an entry fee. The major difference for this comparison is the withdrawal timeline. Blackout Bingo states that PayPal withdrawals are typically processed within 48 hours. That gives it the clearer advantage if your main question is simply which app can process a withdrawal faster. But faster processing does not mean higher earnings. Your actual payout depends on the tournament, entry cost, prize structure, and how well you perform against other players. A faster withdrawal is only useful if you actually have eligible winnings available to withdraw. There's also a practical difference in how you should test these apps. With Bingo Cash, start with the free competitions and check the withdrawal rules before depositing. With Blackout Bingo, do the same and confirm that PayPal withdrawals are available in your location. So the ranking is straightforward. Blackout Bingo wins for published withdrawal speed, while Bingo Cash gives you another competitive bingo option with free tournaments and cash competitions. Before spending money, check the current entry fee, prize amount, eligibility requirements, and withdrawal method inside the app. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.